Good day everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve this question under Kirchhoff's voltage law. So if you look at this question contains what? A resistor, an EMF, and also a current. The current is moving from what? A junction. That's what junction A. So this current is flowing what? In what? A clockwise manner. So this current is flowing what? A clockwise manner. So it's flowing from this side straight to this side. But the current was given to you as 2 ampere. So when you look at this one, if you see this means what? A negative what? Terminal, and this one is what? The longer one is what? A positive terminal. So the voltage law tells you that the current what? The sum of the EMF is equal to what? The sum of what? The resistance and what? The current. So from here, how are you going to solve it? Note that if what? A current is flowing away from what? A positive terminal, that EMF is what? Is going to be positive. But if it is flowing into what? That positive terminal, that voltage here is going to be what? Negative. So the sum of what? The voltages is equal to the sum of what? The resistance and also the current. So from here, using what? Your Kirchhoff voltage law. So this current was flowing from what? This junction, that's what? A. And it flew to this side. So meaning that the current flew from what? Resistance 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, and also before getting to what? This voltage. So it's flown away from what? Voltage 3 and voltage 4 and what? Voltage of what? E. So meaning that 3, 6, and E are all going to be positive because the current flown away from what? They are positive because the current is what? Moving to this side. The current flew from this side and moving to this side towards what? 4V. That's what the voltage 4. So the sum of what? The voltage is equal to this one. So it's going to be 3V plus, we have another voltage here, that's what? 6V plus what? Another voltage what? E. So the current is flowing into what? The positive what? Terminal of this voltage, meaning that this voltage is going to be what? Negative. So you're going to get negative 4 is equal to what? The sum of what? The resistance. So if you want what? A voltage what? Of resistance, you're going to, voltage is equal to what? I times what? R. That's the current times what? Your resistance. So from here, the current is what? I. So we have the first resistance, that's the 2 ohm, 2.5 ohm, we have 1.5 ohm, what? 1 ohm. So it's going to be what? I times the first resistance, that's what? The 2, plus we have another I here, I times what? Your 2.5 plus I times your 1.5 plus I times what? Your 1. So from here, you can choose not to bring the voltages because you know that that's what its symbol. So 3 plus 6 minus 4E. So 3 plus 6 is going to be what? 9. 9 minus 4 is going to be 5. So you're going to have 5 plus what? E is equal to, you have 2I plus 2.5I. So you're going to multiply what? Your current times what? Your resistance, plus I times this one is going to give you 1.5I plus what? I times 1 is going to give you I. So we need to take the I out. So we are going to factorize the I out. So it's going to be 5 plus E is equal to, you bring your I out, what's left is 2 plus what? 2.5 plus 1.5 plus 1. If you factorize a variable, it's going to be get left with what? A remainder of what? 1. So how can you get what? Your E? So we are finding what? This voltage. So 5 plus what? E is equal to I into bracket 2 plus 2.5 plus this is going to give you total of what? 7. But know that in here it gave you I is equal to 2a. So I is equal to 2a. It means that I is equal to the 2 times what? All of what? The resistance here. So therefore it's going to be 5 plus a is equal to what? 2 times what? This what? Resistor. That's what? 7. So you're going to get 5 plus a is equal to 14. So how will you find it? If you want e, you're going to let the 5 go to the other side of the equal sign. It's going to be e is equal to 14 minus 5. So 14 minus 5 is going to be E is equal to what? 9 volts. You are going to bring what? The symbol of what the voltage. So this is how you are going to solve this Kirchhoff voltage law. Thank you.